we're seeing is that, a lot of these companies are trying to manage this data movement, manage this connectivity with a point-to-point approach. So they've got CRM and they've got ERP, and they write some code to connect those systems, and they'll write a script over here to query this database, and it's just piles up, and it just becomes the spaghetti code that, they can't manage it. They definitely can't monitor it, which is a huge issue. Especially talking about, compliance auditing, knowing that data is accurate, and they're dealing with changing systems. So what happens when the ERP needs to upgrade? What happens if they want to move their cloud, to their CRM to the cloud? Everything breaks down. So they might have gotten some automation, started to get ahead of it. These systems change, those workflows break, and then, data starts to become stale again. Systems become siloed again, and then, all these different teams are not getting the value of that data. They're not getting the value of these systems that they invested in. And so that's really the cycle that we are trying to break with Magic XPI in our solution set. So what XPI provides is what we call a loosely coupled, component-based approach to building out these integration flows. So we allow organizations to start with this large library of components and adapters that simplifies that connectivity, to all these various different systems. They've got something in that Swiss Army knife that, boom, they can connect with their ERP, they can connect with their CRM. They have some templates to start with to really simplify that initial integration. But they're not limited by that. So as things change within these systems, inevitably, they can be very flexible in accommodating, field changes, upgrades, maybe even completely swapping out systems. Do that without breaking the logic, of these different projects. And it's not just the data movement, but really taking it a step further in terms of providing that full business process automation. So you have that transformation logic, you have error handling, you have exception handling. So again, organizations are not only getting timely data between these systems that they're able to implement, quickly and update very easily, but they're truly automating manual processes that they, had to deal with previously. And then again, with all of this running in the background, the really value of having that powerful web monitor sitting over all of it, so that they know at any given time health and status of these workflows, where this data is being moved, are there any errors, and then have that audit trail from a compliance standpoint as well.